try to keep up on it the best I can, see what happens. It's 2019. Just picked up a new mountain bike. Pretty much been BMXing my whole life. I got into the mountain bike scene, enjoying the trails. Got a lot of single track up here in Minnesota. Right now it's not open though. Waiting for the thaw to come out. It's a beautiful day out, but I'm stuck riding some road or some double track dirt road, which can be a little boring. But anyways, today I'm here to do a bike check on my new bike. It's a last year's model, 2018 Giant Trance 3, and so far I like it, but like I said, driven down the road on it. That's it. It's a nice bike. Comes with some key essentials, but also some lower grade components, which I plan on upgrading in the future just because I like messing with shit. But anyways, I'm going to try to keep up on this channel, try to show you some of the places that I ride in this state, and probably do a review on this bike down the line here, maybe a month or so after riding it, get it on some trails and really see how it does for me. But here it is. Stock with Max's tires, high roller too. I have already upgraded the handlebars, the grips, the stem, and the pedals, and also put a seat post clamp, all DD components. Really like DD, great color schemes, nice stuff. Also added a MRP bash guard. And let's see here, we got some lower grade rock shocks. Like I said, this is going to be my first full suspension mountain bike, so didn't know really anything about it or really what I was getting. I knew I wanted to get in to a intermittent level bike, I guess I'd call it. We got good disc brakes, hydraulic, 160 millimeter in the front, 180 in the back. I mean, to be honest with you, I don't know a lot about it. Grew up on a BMX bike. This mountain biking is kind of new to me, but I do like it, and I do plan on keeping going with it, I guess. So I also own a framed fat bike, which would have been my first actual mountain bike that I got to go ride single tracks with. Maybe one of these days I'll do a review on that and a bike check on that also. Never done that before. I have a 10-year-old son that likes to go ride mountain bike with me. Also, my wonderful woman. She doesn't do anything too hardcore, but she gets out there and enjoys it, just like the son and I. My son, he's starting to step it up a notch, and I'm starting to almost have to keep up with him. Getting me a little nervous, but is what it is. Don't want to hold him back. So, anyways, thanks for checking out my video, and look forward to doing a review on this bike after about a month or so. Probably, hopefully, once our single tracks start opening up, I'll post a single track video. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Ooh.